It's your own fault if you're not where you'd like to be in life, okay? Your excuses are ruining your life. I see it all the time, even in the comments under my videos. People are coming up with these excuses for why they're not making friends, for why they're not approaching strangers. Maybe, you'll hear it from all kinds of people. Like, they'll find excuses for why they're not looking for a girlfriend or why they're not getting in shape. And it's easy to forget that it's all on you. Of course, there are external circumstances that make things easier or harder depending on the people. But oh my God, you gotta write it down. I encourage you to do this. Like, get a notebook, write down your excuses. Like, okay, what are the excuses that I come up with these days, or that I've come up with across the years to sort of justify my mistakes? And I'm sure there are tons of them. I made a video, I guess, about like how to approach strangers in public, and someone was like, "Oh, this would never work. It would definitely not work in big cities because people are so stressed." And I'm sorry if you're watching this and you're the person I'm talking about, but it's so annoying. Because it's like, have you even tried it? People will maybe try. Most people will never try, whether it's this or anything, to improve their lives. And if they do try it, they fail once or twice because they're not used to it. They haven't built up the skills, and then they're like, it's bullshit. Or it's like, people will have a really bad experience in friendship. Maybe someone will betray them, and they'll be like, "Oh, well, that's it. I'm done with friendship." Like, really, you're done with friendship because you had a bunch of bad experiences? By the way, if you've had a bunch of bad experiences, it's very likely that you have something to do with it. But I digress. And yes, I'm making this video from a toilet. It's, so many excuses. I know, do you agree? Like, I want to hear the excuses that you've come up with. Maybe I'll make a video sharing the excuses that I've come up with, and that maybe I still come up with to not do the things that I'm supposed to be doing. So this applies to anything, and of course my videos are about friendship and how to improve your social life and how to meet more people. It's, those limiting beliefs, they're comforting. I get it. You're finding a reason to not do the thing. You're like, it's fine. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to get into that discomfort because, it's like not worth it, or it's not really, doesn't make sense, whatever. You're lying to yourself. You're lying to yourself. You really are. And then 10 years from now, you'll be like, crap. I probably should have worked harder towards things that matter, such as making friends, which is literally the most important thing for happiness and longevity. At least social connection is the most important. That's it. What are you doing? It's fine. Come up with all the excuses you want. Okay, you do you. But you're wasting your life away. You really are.